Good morning to everyone. I'm Dhananjay Khanna, the founder of My First Boss, and I'm here to seek or to raise funding for my portal, which will help me in achieving my dream success. In fact, I'm very excited and a bit nervous too for the event which is going to happen. I thank the India Fund Fest and a special mention to the entire team, the jury members, especially to Nalin, Rahul, and everyone who provided the insights and they have given us such a beautiful platform so that we can really achieve what we've been aspiring for. And on behalf of the entire participants who qualified for the finale, I really thank the India Fund Fest team for holding such a beautiful event. And I'm very sure that this event will be a grand success, as it has always been. Um, I'm very glad, really excited. In fact, I'm sounding very excited too. You can see that. And thanks a lot. And I hope this event is a beautiful success tomorrow. Thank you. My first boss, the founder of My First Boss, and I am here to seek a fund of 1.5 crore in lieu of equity of 10%. जैसे कि आपने देखा माय फर्स्ट बॉस से आपको एक झलक आ गई होगी आपके पहले बॉस की जिसने आपका करियर बनाया होगा. नाउ प्रॉब्लम्स व्हिच वी फेस इन द एंटायर सिनेरियो. Fresh candidates मिलते नहीं है. There are no fresh candidates every year. There's a lack of visibility in tier 2 and tier 3 cities and a skill deficiency. Basically, we do all these. We give them. We are concentrated in tier 2 and tier 3. हम सबको अपस्किल करते हैं, उनको ई-लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स देते हैं, मेंटोरिंग देते हैं और हमारे जॉब टूल किट और सिटी टैलेंट के प्रोडक्ट्स है उन सबको कैटर करके हम उनको एक नया कॉर्पोरेट में एक जॉब और एक नया ड्रीम सक्सेस देते हैं. अगर हम देखेंगे हमारा परफॉर्मेंस जो आज तक रहा है, it has been 1,300 to 1,400 corporates who have already registered on our portal. In fact, this particular performance this has given us a revenue of 28 lakhs and 80 lakhs in the first year and the second year itself. Can we go to the second slide? Basically, we can do it fast. Yeah. 300 to 400 candidates register per day on our portal. There's 250 corporates who register monthly with 300 job postings. We basically have 200 corporates, 30 colleges and 10-12 colleges which are on the paid model, and the concentration is mainly on the tier 2 and tier 3. Now, when it comes to the projected revenue, the revenue comes from the recruitment, the job postings, the employability tests, and the colleges which come on the paid model. As you can see in the revenue growth, we plan to grow at around 7.2 to 8 crores in around 4 years. When you come to the business model, our business model is the competency assessment, that's the job fit test, the mentorship programs, the college paid models, which are 25,000 to 50,000 per year, the personalized recruitments, which is 3% to 11% as they recruit people from us. We have a concentrated HR team, and the job postings, which are monthly to in annual packages. Now, why we need money is basically we found that these two things are missing. Job toolkit एक ऐसा essential toolkit जो हर एक ITI, normal engineering, MBA college हर एक बच्चे को चाहिए जिसमें resume, interview, LinkedIn master class, personal branding होगी और ये particular model 200 रुपए से शुरू होकर 3,000 तक जाएगा. टैलेंटेड सिटी 4,000 सिटीज के 4,000 पेजेस होंगे जिसमें कॉलेजेस, कॉर्पोरेट्स और कैंडिडेट्स एक दूसरे से बात करेंगे. वर्चुअल जॉब फेयर होगा, वीजा फेयर्स होंगे और एक दूसरे के बेसिकली सिटी पे कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड होगा और हर एक सिटी में ही पहला जॉब मिलेगा. ये हमारा पहला स्टेप होगा आत्मनिर्भर भारत और आत्मनिर्भर शहर की तरफ. When we go to the next, why do we need this? 1.5 CR mein 1/3 would go in the product development, 1/3 would go in the content development with video masterclass, LinkedIn masterclass from the industry stalwarts and startup gurus. 30% would go in the marketing and branding. Now, when we come to the competition, we've got a number of portals which are there already on the in the globe, but we are different because we cater to only tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and we upskill them and give them the right job and get the corporates for the right candidates. Now, team, I am a computer engineer from Mumbai University. I basically am a structured cabling specialist and done cabling for F-16s in the Gulf. Parul and Sachin are the directors. They have rich experience of 14 years in corporates like Citibank, HCL, and Calabar and Modi Xerox. Kapil is the vice president. We've got advisory board, which is headed by Sharad Kohli, who's an economist, a famous economist and a startup guru. Sirajuddin sir takes care of the talent hunt, and Ashish ji takes care of the mentorship. Yes. Any other questions? So this is basically our strategy. Yes, sir.
You can stop the screen share. You said 200 corporates are signed up with you. What is the average they pay you?
So the average billing ranges from 15,000 and it goes to up to 3 lakhs because they also do job postings. They also take data from us and they recruit from us.
And how many graduates have actually used this service so far?
So we have employed 1,700 graduates till now. Freshers and around 1,000 people who've got experience till 5 years. We cater to that model also.
They all paid and came?
No, sir. The candidates don't pay. The corporates pay us.
Okay. So
we don't charge anything for the candidates. Pardon, sir?
The revenue model is the corporate pays you once there is a successful hire.
Yeah, the corporate pays us. The candidates basically pay us for the employability test, the job fit test, which they undergo to understand what competencies they have.
How much does that cost?
So the employability test costs 599 rupees. The mentorship program costs 500 rupees, and we have tied up with other e-learning courses institutes also who give them different platforms. We do virtual internship courses, we do Microsoft courses to upskill these people.
Vijay?
1.75 crores.
Yes, sir.
You put in. What have you put in so much money for? You started about a couple of years ago, and you're clocking revenue of about 78 lakhs. So just wanted to understand what you have, spent money on.
So the total revenue has been around about 98 lakhs to 1 crore. So 1 lakh 8 crore, 1 crore 8 lakhs in fact. The first year is 28 lakhs and the second year is 78 lakhs. The bootstrap amount 1.75 crores majorly has gone in the product development, and the first year the major money is gone to find out actually not what to do rather than to what to do. So the major money is gone there.
Okay. And how has COVID impacted your business? Do you see that as a major factor, or do you see the last 4 months dip in revenues as an aberration?
So the revenue for us has been not that great, but it has not been stagnant. We've done a revenue of around 8 lakhs rupees in this COVID period. The paid hirings have gone less, but the recruitments are still the same. The candidate requirement is still the same. And here, what are we talking about? The SMEs and the small MSMEs, which are regional and city-based, which require people on a very large scale. And there is a dearth of such candidates which we provide, even from colleges and from other people. Because every fresher would not like to, graduate to a different city. He would like to concentrate on the same city and get a normal job, which gives him the, requisites that he can stay there and earn, rather than, going from a particular city to a metro city and, spending money on the rents and the other things. He gets his first job in the same city itself. So there are many SMEs and MSMEs who take care of this.
Okay. Thank you.
Avello, you are the one who deals with graduates most.
I'm trying to formulate my question, but before I do that, sir, I want to understand what's your biggest competitive advantage you have against others who are doing the same thing?
Okay, very good question, Avello. Basically, I'll tell you, 80% of the MBAs and the engineering students are unemployable. Okay, and the concentration of the portals and the other market is not in the tier 2 and the tier 3 cities. Whereas if you find the engineering colleges and MBA colleges are not in metro cities, they are in rural areas. So basically the concentration.
Moving up these 70-80% of engineers who are not employable and making them employable and making a shitload of money from that. So there are many, some are even started by college entrepreneurs themselves. So what I'm saying is, what is your specifically biggest competitive advantage that you boast about that sets you apart from the other HR firms that do the same thing?
Okay, as we are a national portal, there are national corporates who are already registered with us, and they come to those colleges to hire particular students in that particular city itself. So that gives us an advantage. When we do an upskilling for those particular colleges, we hold the entire webinars. It is not only the placements thing, the admissions thing also is also taken care of. Because they advertise in such a way that these are the particular corporates who come to them every year. These are the upskilling courses which are done every year. These are the mentoring programs which are done every year. These are the online webinars which are done every year. And as I said, when we come up with a job toolkit, which is going to be a small 200 rupees or 300 rupees toolkit, which is going to be an essential source for every job seeker. This particular product is not there with any other portal.
One or two corporate clients that have had some exclusive or some preferred tie-ups with you? Some names
Byju's, Tata Projects, Tech Mahindra, Apollo Pharmacy, Bharat Matrimony. These are the corporates which are working with us.
So what kind of, what's the nature of their exclusive or preferred partnership that they have with you?
They basically come up for the recruitment model for us, where they take freshers for internships and for other placements, which includes.
But I'm saying, what is something special that you have? Because I'm trying to understand your competitive advantage, because I know at least 5 different other startups that are doing the same thing and making shitload of money. So what I'm trying to understand here is, what is your competitive advantage? And one of them could be you have a good tie-up with the existing, let's say Amazon or Microsoft or a Byju's or whatever else. So what I'm trying to understand is there something exclusive or preferred tie-up that you have with the existing corporate giant?
So the major tie-up which I have is any corporate who looks out for a pan-India kind of a requirement. He comes to us because he takes care of the entire thing.
Giving me a generic answer. All right. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Are there any other questions from any of the investors?
Hello.
Yeah, Manish.
Manish Gandhi. Yeah. I just want to ask you, if you have such big clients, why the revenue is so low?
So it's just been 1 year. The revenue, it's just been 1.5 years that the revenue has started on the corporate side. On the college side, we basically wanted to work on the free model first. 1 year we worked on the free model to get major tractions, and now the colleges in fact have started paying us in packages. In terms of the candidates, we came up with our products which were ready to launch in 1920, and that is why the revenue has been it has increased 4 times from the first year. And in fact, if this Corona thing would have not happened, we would have actually reached the break-even stage in April itself.
Okay, and right now your annual turnover is 28 lakh, right?
No, sir. It's around 80 lakhs for the last year. 80
lakhs. 8 lakhs. And how many recruits you have done till now?
So we have recruited 1,700 freshers and 1,000 candidates who got an experience of 0 to 5 years.
Okay, and what is the payout from the companies which you are getting?
So it varies from 3% to 11% depending upon the profile and the domain, and depending on the client.
Okay, and what is the attrition ratio?
In terms of the call center employees and sales employees, it is a bit high.
So what is that?
Percentage?
It's around 30%.
30%. Okay. And what is the volume of call centers and this BPO hiring which you are doing?
Very less. Very less. Very less. It's
Okay.
not even 10% of the entire domain what we do.
Okay. Okay. And how you are how many, which all companies, 200 companies, you have specified 200 companies.
Yes, sir.
So which all companies are major revenue streams for you? Which companies are the most, top 3 companies which give you maximum revenue?
So we've got Tech Mahindra who's given us revenue. We've got Zaro Education who's given us revenue. We've got Access. We've got 2-3 big placement partners like IKEA who's given us good revenue, who cater to a lot of requirements. And we've got some colleges who have also given us some good revenues. IKEA and Collabora have been the major partners for us.
So Tech Mahindra BPO or Tech Mahindra IT?
Tech Mahindra BPO, sir.
BPO. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Any
Fine.
other questions?
Any other questions or offers from anybody?
Any conversation to be taken forward?
Nalin, I would like to have a one-to-one conversation.
Surely. Surely, sir.
Okay.
Surely.
Okay.
Surely. Thanks, Manish.
Manish, would you like to do this today or tomorrow?
Today should be good.
Today is good? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll reach out to you, Manish.
So we'll reach out and set up that conversation for a one-on-one.
Okay.
Thank you very much. You may log off now.
Thank you, Nalin. Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. All the best.
My name is Narendra Khanna and I'm the founder of My First Boss. It's been a great experience with India Fund Fest. They've given us a beautiful platform, and every entrepreneur who's qualified for the finale or who's been a part would be really obliged to the India Fund Fest to provide such a beautiful platform, to give their insights, give their inputs. The jury members, a special mention, a special thanks, in fact, to Nalin, Rahul, Soumya, and the entire team of India Fund Fest, who've been so helpful and who've been so, who've been on the toes, in the last so many days to give us the insights and the inputs and help us in, achieving our success. Thanks India Fund Fest once again, and wish you all the success in the future, and wish you that you hold such beautiful events which help entrepreneurs achieving their dream success. Thanks.